Donald Trump is making big promises about taxes, specifically the return of the popular SALT deduction. During his campaign, Trump vowed to bring back the state and local tax break that his own 2017 tax law had severely limited, saying, "I will turn it around, get SALT back, lower your taxes, and so much more." But here's the catch: experts say it's not that simple. The SALT cap, which currently limits deductions to $10,000, is set to expire next year, but its future depends on a larger tax debate in Congress. Lawmakers on both sides have been fighting over this for years, especially those from high-tax states like New York, New Jersey, and California. Some say the cap hurt homeowners in these states, while others argue that lifting it would mostly benefit the wealthy. Trump's promise to restore the full deduction could cost the government over $100 billion in lost revenue, making it a tough sell. A possible compromise: raising the cap instead of removing it completely. But with a divided Congress and tight Republican control in the House, getting any deal done won't be easy. And for homeowners hoping for a major boost to the housing market, experts say don't hold your breath. They believe a bigger game changer would be lower mortgage rates, not tax tweaks. Bottom line, Trump wants SALT back, but making it happen could be a long road. Stay tuned as this tax battle unfolds.